Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Don Aslam. I'm a 700k funded trader, and in this video I'm going to be showing you methods how you can pass Propfirms easily and effectively, and also the best way you can manage risk as well, where your capital stays safe. Make sure to watch the full video. Let's get started. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm going to be using gold for the example, guys. Using the most simple and effective strategy I think that actually exists is the break and retest strategy. I mean, simple risk rewards. I mean, we're going to be going for 1 to 3s for this one. I normally like to go for a 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 7. I mean, even the students in the mentorship. I mean, I've posted. This is not a trade I've actually taken live, but I've actually put this here because, you know, this actually would have been a trade. I've not been trading gold with the these certain time frames. I've actually been scalping it, to be honest. But as you can even see for this particular method, I mean, gold's flying in profit there. Again, I just want to clarify, I'm not actually trading gold right now. Now with gold, guys, okay, what I want to mention as well, the techniques that me personally how I've been able to gain capital worth of 700k, guys, is not because of my strategy alone, even though I do have a good strategy. Super simple strategy, I would say, but it's the risk management that is king. And I'm going to be showing you methods, guys. If you're trading with prop firms, if you trade on your personal capital, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be showing you, like, okay, so I already got marked out my break and retest key levels. I've posted videos, I don't know how many videos now, how I'm at the key levels. Do check that out as well. Now I'm going to be looking for major rejections, and then example, let's break this one down. So suppose I'm taking an entry. Now if you break back testing as well, guys, I'm going to be speaking about, when you're taking an entry, I'm going to be speaking about the stop loss here. But when you're taking an entry, right, you already should know how your TP should be fixed. Me personally, I'm a big believer of your TP should be fixed, and also your stop loss should be fixed. You should know pretty much, if the market moves this much against me, then I have to change my bias, or if the market moves this much in my direction, my favor, then I've got my move, I've got my piece of the cake. I don't want the full cake, and I'm out of the market. Now in this case, guys, as you can see, a bullish candle here has formed. So support has obviously been established here. Now there's a bearish candle here, a very weak bearish candle. Buyers push the sellers back up, and they back them up, and then we've got another bullish candle. So you can pretty much take your entry from here. Now it doesn't always, in this particular video, guys, normally my other ones I always show how to catch these 1 to 5s, 1 to 6, 1 to 7s. In this one, let's just keep things simple, because gold moves insane anyway. So we're going to be catching those normal small little moves, 1 to 3s, 1 to 2.5s, and keeping it very, very simple. Now, from, like I mentioned just a short while ago, when you are entering a trade, you should already know your stop loss, and you should already know your TP. But you should also know something else as well, guys. This is what I'm going to be touching on in this video. If you look at, when you're back testing, don't always check how much stop loss distance do I need for price to travel, and then it gets hit and then I change my bias. No, also check, are your winners, when your profitable trades, how much drawdown do they go into before they turn to winners? As you can check here, look at this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not this one here, and I'm going to explain what I mean. These 6 trades here hardly even going to half of the drawdown. How insane is that? So what does that mean? Now this is what I like to do with gold. So one of my students dropped me a message saying, do I do this with GJ? Not that much, because GJ normally tends to like to retest, more, going to a little bit of drawdown sometimes. But with gold, what I'm seeing is it hardly goes into drawdown, because it's so volatile. It just wants to either just move in one direction, up, down, but it just wants to fly in that direction. So if it wants to go bearish, it doesn't even go into that much drawdown and just tanks. I can just move my stop loss to half. Now I've already made a video on this in the past, right? I'm going to be showing you other methods as well. It's all about how you manage risk. That's how you become a winner in this. Now, I mean, this was already, look at this one as well, guys. Do you see any drawdown in this? There's hardly any. There's zero drawdown, right? How insane is that? So I can already, I'm not, again, like I mentioned, I'm not in this trade. By the way, guys, if you are looking for 1-to-1 unlimited session of mentorship, and you want to join a community, and also this is the elite mentorship program, simplified trading. And basically what this is, guys, once you join in, you can basically get unlimited 1-to-1 sessions by myself. And you can see post my live trades, my losing trades, my winning trades, full on transparency. I'll just speak about a trade that I took today, and it was a loss on UJ. If I just show you, it was basically, just one moment. Now we're about up to about 890 members, about 898. I think I posted it actually in the mentorship. Yeah. So this was a position on UJ. Now UJ's been looking quite promising with the strategy, the break and retest that I've been showing. Now in this case here, guys, this one was the opportunity I missed early in the morning, which I gave a 1 to 5. This was the trade I actually took, and what ended up happening was I lost the trade. But because of the way I manage risk, I lost 0.5%. So it's, you know, but if you're looking to join a community, guys, and you know, there's profitable traders in here. There's, you know, break-even traders. There's also traders who are still, you know, struggling and still, you know, finding the path for themselves to make this work. Now I don't work with beginners, you know, I'm not a babysitter, guys, but if you're looking for wanting a mentor, then the link will be in the video description and you can just hit me up. Okay, now first of all, I just want to quickly go over as well. I'm not someone just I'm a 700k fund trader, guys, and I'm a strong believer in backtesting, collecting that data. This is for GJ. This I strongly work off key levels. This is for oil, and you know, it's been looking I've never had to look back, so I'm looking very promising as well. Okay, so now that was one method, right? You can just move your stop loss to half. Super powerful, trust me when I say this. Now you obviously want to use this as well. If you're using it with gold, guys, you actually want to be extra careful, just because with Propfirms, I think the stop loss is it's not going to be as tight as if you're trading with IC markets, the regulated brokers and all that. But another method as well, guys, I want to mention, when you first start a prop firm, guys, risk 0.5%, and I always put a huge emphasis on this. Risk 0.5%, right? If you're already a part of the mentorship, you already know what I'm talking about. Risk 0.5%, and as soon as you create a bit of a buffer, 1-2%, then risk 1% per trade until you're back to break even. Super simple. Now I posted a video, I think it must have been 2-3 videos back. You can go and check that one out as well. I was just applying this risk management with gold, and what happened was I gained 8% within about 1 or 2 days, and that, you know, it's insane, right? This was on an FTMO account. And you know, within 2 days, almost, I've even posted other videos where I'm passing these phase 1s, phase 2s within 1-2 days, within 1-2 trades even. It's you know, the risk management is king, guys, and that's what's going to take you, you know, that's not what's going to make this work for you, but that's what's just going to, you know, totally just send you flying into profitability. Super simple. Now what you want to do also as well, guys, is there's methods if you want to take partials. I've recently started to take partials. Now I'll tell you what I mean by that as well. Suppose I know this trade now is a 1 to 3, right? I mean, let me go on another example as well. Okay, let me see. Okay, moment. If you can see this trade over here, bullish breakout over here, and then a bullish, you know, candle, confirmation candle with a long wick rejection, strong bullish buying presence. Market comes up, comes back down. I want to come back into the zone. I take my trade. This will give me a nice 2.5. Now this one's a 1 to 3, 2.5, and I believe this one was a 3. So it's, you know, down to the individual if you got the patience to wait for a 1 to 3, or if you just want to keep it a simple 1 to 2.5. Now this is what I do, guys. I risk 1% per trade, move my stop loss to half. If I lose the trade, I lose half. But now because I'm only traveling less the distance to 2.5, what does that mean, guys? Now in reality, I'm actually getting 1 to 5 risk to reward, even though it's only traveling 2.5 RR, you know, the distance. It's absolutely insane when you apply this kind of risk management. But okay, coming back to the point of taking partials, once the price moves around, you know, 1 to 1 or 1 to 2, especially 1 to 2, but if it comes to another method, look, when it comes near to your actual TP and you do not feel and you feel like my market should push even higher, just take partials, take 50% of the trade off. If you are confident that, you know, it's maybe most likely the buyers are, you know, losing momentum or volume in the candles, then all you have to do, another thing you can do as well, put this to break even. If it comes back, it comes back. Now sometimes when a nice move comes back, it's a bit of a body blow, and you'll be like, what's happened here? You know, there's supposed to be some. So move your stop loss, use a trailing stop loss, and move your stop loss with your TP level. You know, just move it like that, keeping it super simple. Now for trades that you do lose, right, my advice for that is, guys, just look at it as an investment. Look at this. This was 1 loss here, but after that there was 4 wins here. Now suppose I had 2-3 more losses, but look at this. Remember, when I lose 0.5%, but I'm leveraging that full 1%. So even a 1.25, let me just put this back to 2.5. Even a 1.25 is a 1 to 5, remember, so I can even lose 5 trades, win only once, and that's a break even. And this instance here, I've got 4 winners, and well, the 5th one there, and it just goes on so on. Now in the mentorship, guys, you know what I want to put emphasis on as well is, you know, with the, just 1 moment, if I just show you the experienced trades, losing trades. Now I want to touch on losing trades as well. Now everyone thinks, yeah, we just, you know, win all the time. It's not about that. You're not gonna win all the time, you know, you're not gonna lose all the time as well. It's all about risk management and how you manage your risk. I just want to go over, you know, touch on, you know, this is why transparency is key. I show my losing trades, and I like to show them, to be honest, I like to show them more than my winning trades. But the only thing is, because my win percentage is around 65% above, I mean, think about it. Even if you look at it, how do you look at your win percentage? First of all, do you look at it as how many trades you actually win, or how often do you stay ahead, you know, of your losers? I look at it from that angle, and recently I've started to do that as well. And I'll give you an idea. Let me just clarify that, what I mean by that. Suppose you're in drawdown, right? But out of 10 trades, you know, out of 20 trades, let's just say, how can I say this? Let me simplify this, right? Imagine out of 100 trades, I'm gonna give you an example like this. Imagine out of 100 trades, you're about 40% of your trades are losses, right? So now it comes down to your risk to reward as well, right? A 1 to 2 should still pretty much make you very profitable, even though you lost 40 trades. If you won 60, even a 1 to 1 will make you profitable. But you want to see as well, write this down, your journaling is super important. How often are you in drawdown, right? Whether it be time it as well in minutes, how often, and also timing how long it takes to get your TPs as well. I was going to keep this video nice, short and simple. I hope this video provided a value. If you're interested in the one-to-one mentorship, guys, the link will be in the video description. Check out the other videos as well. Just want to keep the video nice, short and simple, and speak a little bit on risk management, because that is what's actually going to make you profitable, not your strategy. Psychology is key as well, guys, but it's always down to your risk management. Take care, and I'm out.